Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the top cover, wireless module, power connector cable, display panel assembly, display bezel, display panel, and display panel hinges. Removal. Important: make careful note of the routing of the display panel and wireless antenna cables for later replacement. Partially remove the display panel cable from the routing channel on the display enclosure. Important: make careful note of the placement of the wireless antenna transceivers for later replacement. Carefully peel back the metallic tape that secures the left wireless antenna transceiver to the display enclosure. Remove the wireless antenna cables from the routing channel on the display enclosure. Carefully peel back the metallic tape that secures the right wireless antenna transceiver to the display enclosure. Using a non-conductive, flat-bladed tool, remove the wireless antenna transceivers from the display enclosure. Remove the wireless antenna cables. Replacement. Place the wireless antenna transceivers into position on the display enclosure. Carefully adhere the metallic tape that secures the right wireless antenna transceiver to the display enclosure. Route the wireless antenna cables through the routing channel on the display enclosure. Carefully adhere the metallic tape that secures the left wireless antenna transceiver to the display enclosure. Route the display panel cable through the routing channel on the display enclosure.